Good morning. Today is Saturday. This is the view of the morning. Nice. Nice at tahimik ng morning. Ay magkape. Kape. Magkape tayo with the flowers. Ang ganda nila. Morning, morning. Tahimik pa sa labas. Actually, lagi namang tahimik eh. Sa umaga dito. Ganda lang. Ganda mag-relax. Alright, have a nice morning. Happy Saturday, everyone. Okay, let's finish the coffee. See you again tomorrow. Itong mga bulaklak na to, matagal bago sila namamatay. Takes few days, actually weeks pa nga eh. Kaya kung bibili kayo ng bulaklak, kunin nyo yung mga ganyan. Maliliit siya but it lasts long.